Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
Antelope. Antelope runs fast and lives in dry places. B. Bactrian camel. This camel has 2 humps and lives in deserts. C. Camel. Camel can live many days without water. D. Desert tortoise. Desert tortoise lives in hot, sandy land. E. Eagle. Eagle flies high and looks for food. F. Fennec fox. Fennec fox has big ears to stay cool. G. Gila monster. Gila monster is a slow desert lizard. H. Horned lizard. Horned lizard has spiky skin for safety. I. Iguana. Iguana is a big lizard that likes warm places. J. Jerboa. Jerboa jumps like a tiny desert mouse. K. Kangaroo rat. Kangaroo rat saves water in its body. L. Lizard. Lizard loves sun and warm sand. M. Meerkat. Meerkat lives in groups in dry areas. N. Night snake. Night snake comes out after sunset. O. Oryx. Oryx has long horns and lives in deserts. P. Pygmy mouse. Pygmy mouse is very small and quick. Q. Quail. Quail is a small desert bird. R. Rat. R. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake makes sound to warn enemies. S. Scorpion. Scorpion has a tail with a sting. T. Tarantula. Tarantula is a big, hairy spider. U. Euromastix. Euromastix is a desert lizard with a thick tail. V. Vulture. Vulture eats dead animals in deserts. W. Wildcat. Wildcat hunts small animals in dry lands. X. Xeris. Xeris lives in hot African deserts. Y. Yellow mongoose. Yellow mongoose is small and fast. Z. Zebra. Zebra can live near dry, desert areas.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.